Welcome to Timeline Radio Sports, guys. Yeah, no, that comes up. But it's another World Cup special buffet too. Eish, yazini, inhliziyo yami ebuhlungu ngibhizi lana ngimele ngipodcast ngapha abantu babulala abantu ngalela mara ke that shop kunjani kodwa.
Shafile
I'm not.
good evening to the viewers.
Hey, yes, konje sinama view.
And ayakhula yazi.
Ngiyawakhohlwa
They are
mina.
coming right.
Asibonga. Hayi mara ke sihlala samba no Ghost, siphethe uGhost lapho. Ghost injabulo ithini lapho?
Mtangeni.
Utangele?
Yes.
Ngani man?
Indaba izolo.
Yeah.
Oh, hayi siyeke indaba izolo. Sinamhlanje ke awusithatha usiphushe mfethu.
Okay, welcome to it, guys. I think Spell with one of our topics about Lucas Ribeiro Costa and staying at Mamelodi Sundowns. So there were reports that Ribeiro Costa could leave Mamelodi Sundowns, but now it looks like he will stay with the club. So I think one of the biggest questions pertaining this issue is that can Sundowns keep all their top attacking players this season? Like, okay, I think the question is, can we say Sundowns is has the strongest team right now in Africa? If Ribeiro are part of the team, because Ukumbule there's also Abo Leon and many more.
Yeah, no. It's important for Uti Mamelodi Sundowns and beef up the team. I don't know Uti. I'm a support to Sundowns as welcome back Ganjano Ribeiro because they could be very hostile. Mabatanda Labana by 57. Oh yeah, we have added. I think the way he left the team, it didn't sit well with some of the fans, the team. So him coming back to the team, some others it's not gonna be like welcome back, Unyana Olahlego and stuff like that. Some still have reservations. He should have left in a proper way. He should have let the team allow him if the offer was that good team now.
Yeah.
But the way he decided to leave the team, it was not the proper way. Even he himself he didn't leave the team in a proper way.
Yeah.
So yeah, but when it comes to football, I mean you cannot question the guy's ability in a football field. So if the team wants to beef up a firepower in order to defend the Champions League, I think it will be for the best in terms of football wise. But in terms of harmony in the dressing room, we'll have to see about that one.
I know, ngiya understand now ukuthi why imimoya yabanye phansi. Phela le out lena inkinga lena for amanye ama team. Lego Amsterdam
bayamazi arena.
I'm still arena bayamchaba. But anyway, I think mina if yena are comfortable anyway by 58 labandaba no bangenza umsindo angeke bazwakale man. So I think if you're comfortable then like angabuya azodlala futhi, and it's gonna be good vele for Sundowns because ukuthi at least ibe nama option because uyamazi lo muntu lokuthi capable of what. So unless if mhlambe kukhona okushintshile ke maybe phela ngenzeka ukuthi banirobhe futhi uyabo banilethele second hand or something. But yeah, like for me Sundowns I think yenza into egrand ngokuthi imbuyise ibeef up team yakhe.
But why? Do you think like Yamdinga maybe?
Yeah, obviously Yamdinga. Uyazi Sundowns was never the same after Qedu Khamba.
Yeah, I think the turnaround for a season at Sundowns was after the January transfer window when they were able to go to Balande, Abu Nunes, Abu Leon. That's when their seasons turn around. before that, they never looked like a team that could actually challenge for any honors for the previous season. So in terms of Uguti, is he needed? A good player is always needed in a team that wants to challenge for stuff. So you can never have enough good players, especially forwards. They are very scarce oba easy. So when a good one is available, and then you take him, irrespective.
Okay, I did not notice.
Bofuna sign with Pirates.
No, I Lotto. No, Lotto. I think it's right. But in terms of keeping players happy, like what impact do you have Ribeiro Mangabe figure will have to the team or the club or the squad? Because Ukumuluguti now equality abo like it's just top, yabo. Like in terms of my game time, because they're also signing other people. I understand the fact that Bazamu initial squad sabo for whatever competition or tournaments are, but like Izo Shuktini for other players like Kabanyabakwi squad.
Okay, but you've been saying that thing goes to Gucci Isantown to Sanela or Ban Pasadian while Libana the best actually defender, still Basina another best defender. Gucci best complaining in the by Gucci actually he weakina squad. So Ibafana Bafana like on Gulelo site lelo. But yeah, my ngabi figure with team yona. I think umsebenzi coach lo ukuthi uzoba motivate kanjani at the end of the day, because kumele kube motivation ukuthi at least I have someone who good engidlala nayo ku position, so should ngenze mistake or kwenzakaleni then lo muntu wangena nayo uthole opportunity yakhe, so ingayenza team ukuthi be strong depending ukuthi coach uzoba motivate kanjani. Asazi ke ukuthi madala lo othelwa amanzi unjani. Angithi nisaqhubeka no Carlos.
Yeah, no. It was provile. And the other thing, they just let go of Ushalulil. So they'll need another forward. Ribeiro will come in and replace, because if you check a striking department, it's a Sundowns. I think you have Umutiba, you have Leon, you have Reynolds.
Mutiba also second.
Yeah, I think he's staying.
Okay.
Yeah. Then if you add Ribeiro to that, you have 4 forwards, and then you can have options of which you play this one with that one depending on the game we approach and call.
So and also case like Ribeiro, it's a special case because Kumbole case against Sundowns may appeal, you understand? So there was an option we would see back over the case until Sundowns, but the Sundowns basically win regardless. Now maybe no option would he needs to pay back the money, or he goes back to Sundowns, because I don't remember Sundowns saying good as some food. You know, the reason why they went to court is because of they still want him. You understand? On Ohambe to say hot property, so it would make sense. Would see Magabuya, because sometimes they believe in quality end of the day. You know, because sometimes they believe in
Ribeiro, that World Cup performance messed up his head, man. I think
that obvious.
Yeah,
like in other players, because now Ukumo no Kulusumuda even there were issues with him. Remember?
Yeah.
Kulusumuda na Magabuya from that World Cup. Some few games because he wants to leave by the Sundowns food. You understand? Same goes no course. Just go to course that things they didn't play out how he planned it, you know. So him coming back to his Sundowns, I think it was a thing he has no option because already team relegated you. Even if the team being a they still have to go through his Sundowns. So there's a lot of problems. As in Cloud Ribeiro. So with me, I think also it's a good, because during the season, it was nice. Let's just be honest, you know. It was a bit nice.
What was nice?
Yeah.
What was nice?
No, that
Sundowns was dominating.
No,
besides Sundowns dominating, individual brilliance, that guy had it. You understand? There are people who buy a stadium. Even my friends they will tell you sometimes you go to stadium just to watch that guy play, how he was playing and everything, you know. So for me, that it was. Right now, do you think about sometimes I buy stadium go Portugal, but they just want to see Cristiano, just want to see Umes. So I think Ribeiro, he had a bit of that, because Ribeiro, even Nama players from other teams, they will love him. They will say, "Hey, low in this baby Tosaki," but they loved watching him play. You understand? And so having him back, and also now we have Leon, you know, because last season it was tight, you know. So I'm keen to see what's going to happen this season. Because last season, I think it was one of the best seasons we ever had in a while ku PSL, you understand, looking at my points nama gap wabakon. So now Sundowns might beef up, and have you guys checked with Sundowns, they hardly release players. You understand? They are hardly releasing. I want to manage. They are busy signing. Baza Bashine Sundowns. Parents with that boy was Arrows Unlove. You understand? So the only release so far. And I'm telling you, being a player who can sign anyone else again. You understand? Now shall we release because he's been there for so many years now. You know. So Sundowns, they hardly. Now Cost is coming back to Sundowns. They are still buying, because I don't think Cost is not a buy by the way. They're not buying Roberto Costa. If they still wanna buy, they can still buy. I don't know if it's about allowed when it comes to my foreigns and what.
Yeah,
You know.
and it's now determined by which
It's South African.
no, that capital that is required for you to be granted citizenship. The one that they did on Algiers
Holland.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Remember, there's a certain amount of money you need to have.
Yes, that guy was rich, but
Yes, so you'll never know how much he accumulated lapana gumvela Spain. Maybe he has come back in the Mali Chile, and then you find yourself registers as a local player. Yeah, so we will see how that one pans out.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Okay, so moving on to our second topic, it's the PSL Awards. The PSL Awards nominees have been announced. I think you guys saw the nominees. But I think the biggest question is, which of the nominations surprised you the most from what?
Do you have them with you there?
Mina, okay, I don't know if it will come around, but Apolis for me was never played as a midfielder. So for me to see him nominated as a midfielder this season candidate, it was like Benjamin. He always played as a forward.
Yeah, true.
So how he gets nominated for that accolade depends on what maybe how the teams line up, go team sheet, and how they actually play in the field of play are two different things.
Yeah.
Maybe he might appear as a midfielder go team sheet, but he actually doesn't play there. So that people imagine because of Umkwena assist the defenders, and all of a sudden you see him nominated Lapana good defender of the season. It gives such vibes Lenda Police. But over and above that, I think it's always the case. A team that wins the league always gets more nominations when it comes to these awards.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nominations, man. I just need those ones. This is so cool, this is Motsepe. Okay, about police by and now MTN 8, it's Paris players the Java dominator because we
it's their bread and butter MTN 8. So
last man standing with police Tsepang Moremi Sibelebele. I don't think we're having issues with that one because the way they won it there.
Yeah.
Then okay, Kalling will knock out player of the tournament. They have Washington Arubi, Begazili Mbogazi, Nondlondo.
Ndaba ethethu.
Arubi vele you guys over Chipezens yazenzela kuKhaleng.
Yeah, no udlalela ama 100,000.
Hey, but now I'm shocked ukuthi ayekho la.
Oh, but this season I think akazange azabe beyangekho isikhathi esiningi.
Again,
This-
yes. Hey, yes,
this
so I'm
season.
shocked ukuthi he's not here. Yeah. How Chipezens?
He always shines
Khaleng kumele banika.
Makacabanga la clip leyana yo.
Tell.
Then we have defender of the season nominees. Kulusumutawu, Siema, Nosubisi. Okay, guys, between Siema and Nosubisi,
If ever Lapan Usiama udlele man. Usiama I think he stood out for Orlando Pirates in defense. He was one of their most reliable players over the past season. So it's gonna be between Yena and Nosibis as the league champions. So between the two, I'll take Osia.
Yeah, I think i-reason ngaba ukuthi bekanecathulo enkulu bekumele azifile, so and azange disappoint.
Yeah.
So because also most people were expecting ukuthi afungoka bahambile then they should struggle, but still azange ba struggle. So yeah, sizathini, it is what it is.
Okay. Player of the season. Hey. Young player of the season. We have Isaac Kisem, then Sululego Matlabi, Rele Mufukeng. We know what's already. Urele Suluga young player of the season from.
From the moment he set foot in the PSL. Yeah.
I think even this one is gonna go. It's gonna go to.
Oh,
him.
he's the champion.
Yeah, it's gonna go to.
If even though Mashambi had a good season.
Yeah.
Lapana good chess Galaxy.
Goalkeeper la.
He had a very good season. Samkelo Mashambi.
So goalkeeper of the season, China, Gos, Peterson.
Clean sheet.
Yeah.
Ufuna ukuthini Sidomso Peterson?
No. Angithi Peterson, but mina ngithi as much as we understand ukuthi ama stats athini, but then looking at like mine performance like yakho so goalkeeper, ngiyazi ukuthi defense yakhe izothi no because of uChina ukwazi arrange i-defender lakhe nanani, but then I can still come and say bekumele ngabe akaconsideranga ke nalawa consider he was that good. So mina the way ngibona ngakhona ukuthi as much as beka mashala kahle i-defense yakhe, but still ukoro amanye amagoli questionable ukwabo, and futhi akazange face like ama one-on-one chances amaningi, so akunama save angako engathi mina ngithi uSipho China wayenzile. So for mina angikwazi ukumrate that much, but ke because of win league and futhi unama clean sheet amaningi then sizothi.
So with me, yes, when it comes to maybe my records and whatever, China, he stands out. Then another thing, looking at Peterson, the games he played lesser game than Usipo China, and he's not far when it comes to my clean sheets, right? Going back to being technical, my games and my saves, understand? Peterson had more saves than any other goalkeeper with PSL, or more than Usipo China, you know, because Usipo China he has a good defense. Same as no run win, but a good defense. That's why defense my buy is Baba exposed. Then as an he chiefs available buys that from defense to anything, but Peterson saved them from a lot of matches, you know. So if we would look at that as well, let's not look on a clean sheet, because a clean sheet alone for me personally, I don't think it's enough. But also the game and the saves, all of those things combined. I might go to how many games did you play and everything. All of those things combined. But now another thing is about trick. Suppose China winner also a trophy. That's another thing as well. Maybe Engambega as goalkeeper of the season, you know. But besides a trophy about winning, like going to 8 games straight, I will still give it to Peterson.
Yeah, it's one another thing. Even I'm a man of the match. Super China I'm a man of the match.
Now?
I don't think we could now. Then more we are back to Unto. More we are Peterson. Bonus ukuthi beka khona grounding. Khona izinto aphumenazo. Maybe 2-3 games in a row. Bonus ukuthi was there against the Sundowns. Peterson was there. Who saved the Chiefs against the Pirates? Wenze umsebenzi. But anyway, it's fine. Ababanikeze mhlambe kule brown envelope beyikhona vele ngaka goalkeeper of the season.
Thank you. What's that?
So going. No. No.
Then Siakbo coach.
Coach of the season.
Yeah.
I think Lama awards ayaziyenza man. Ayaz bonisa nje ukuthi which direction they'll be going, because I remember there was once a time whereby I think Upeni Wawina a coach of the season. I don't know whether he was still at Cape Town City or Eguamazulu. He came position 2, and then it cost an apro ukuthi achieve in is celebrating being number 2 and stuff like that. So not this time around. I don't think ukuthi the fact that coach Cardoso has put the big fish on the table will work in his favor. I think these are purely PSL awards, and the coach that won the championship.
It should be. Even though just playing the devil's advocate, like, for me, I'll give it to those two guys. You know why? You know those two guys,
Abotoliki.
Yeah, those two guys, they've broke so many records in one season, right? Looking at like a number of games about winning, over number of points about achieving in a short number of games. They had all of those things. Because the Chiefs, I think by that time, it was about in 2019, we achieve a lot of things. In terms of achieving those guys. And bear in mind, during the Nedbank Cup, they were there, those guys. Even though I'm a coach, then they remained. But for me, I think they still delivered. Because the success team, in a success team without a coach, you understand? They became number 3 after the longest time, you know. And number of points, I think they were reached 50 points. End of season, but they were above 50 points. And I don't know which is they've been performing better for the past 10 years, you know. So for me, our Pirates already fan about to figure after beats or Sundowns. Understand? It was a moving machine, to get my point. Any other coach, because of succeeding in the Pirates, because the previous coach Ushia Yonkinto say sharp, according to me, you know. So Ukaroso, I wouldn't put him in that conversation because through Ukaroso, Sundowns it has dipped. Besides the KF and other things, just to be honest, as a coach, you know, Ukaroso got a lot of critics. You understand? From coach Sundowns, Ukaroso was the worst. Yeah, well, it's just good. Sundowns, it's a serious team. It's a big team. It's like a team A. And you give it entirely. It's gonna take years of Sundowns if you find about understand when it comes to play, right? But looking at what I'm saying when I as a coach with Pirates sharp, but I'm nigga. But if you wanna give him, but for me I feel like he didn't do much because already Pirates was a moving machine. You understand? Ukari also he did Malafik as a coach with Sundowns. You understand? He has best good players. Then those two guys, they did a lot of things about Bangas achieve and Kaizer Chiefs. For me, if I was Seguti, I buy I'll just give it to them.
I angek. Abotoloka I know. As I think mangabe siqala la isizini mayiqala maybe I was one of the people who bega pesha coach we Pirates like awatho ukuthi man ngathi I promise ukuthi angayenza anything. Yes, I'm still not a fan of him, but uziprovile because besides ukuthi utholi Pirates moving train, but kuna ezinye izinto afike wazenza. There are other changes afike wayenza laphana, checking abomfuking ukubadlalisa number 10 role. Then there are so many things. So uzamile yena. Yes, ukuhlulwa I big squad. I still say ukuthi imenza ukuthi angabi coach engathi uvelele, but ke for me I think we deserve guys. Angeke ngiko Caros ayikho into eserious ayenzile. Amanto lawa bobani laba ama interpreter abotolika guys bathole iChiefs izikhathalele nje ukuthi kudala yagcina yazo wabona ukuthi uze nencuba into ezifele ehlathini kube ngathi awuze.
So you don't think they tried those guys?
No, they did not.
Serious?
They did not.
They didn't achieve anything.
Like me for me they did not
achieve anything because of the didn't win silverware.
Yeah, like they did not.
No,
it's one and the same.
They did achieve, but not for the PSL, for the club.
Yes, for the club,
because
yes. They will be the best coaches so far with club.
Good club, yes.
Results ukuthi ubani ungenile wahluleka abo Solinas bahluleka futhi Solinas ungcono because that was one of the best coach. Ukuthi abo Middledorp ungene wahluleka like wahluleka nje dismal. Abo Steve Compella bahlulekile. But besides that, there is nothing you can write home about when it comes to EPSL like on its own ukuthi hayi labantu bafikile bayenza nayi guys abayenzanga next labantu laba. Basimoshele nje isikhathi. Baphakamisa ushukela.
No, mina I think it's settled for me. What? Ukuthi what will walk away with this one?
Definitely, why they will give it to him.
Yeah.
But I wish they would use certain criteria to give out these things. Ghost, let's move.
before we move, going back to the question that I asked, so Maui Pendula, you mentioned that you were surprised by I category.
Midfield of the season.
Yeah. So angazi ngami ngifuna ukwazi. So when it comes to kunento ake bayenza like Siphelele, ne? I think Siphelele would know him as a forward winger, ne? But Perez currently udlala as a defender because angithi right back. So aren't they using the same, I don't know, method?
No,
in a way.
It's not, because Usibelebele we know ukuthi he's more of a wing back. You can either play him as a wing, out and out winger, or as a wing back, whereby Uzo
Yeah.
Roma the right hand side flank, which up and down,
Yeah.
depending on if formation. But for me, that's a different one. No, yaga police, because if we check correctly, Pirates was playing more a 4-3-3 formation with riding playing more as a forward, or police playing more as a forward, and then them having riding really as a roving turn between the flanks.
Yeah.
So for me na ruler out lega Sibelebele came as an out and out winger.
Okay.
From TS Galaxy.
Yeah.
And then wafika kuphela Pirates maybe wabonisa ukuthi he can be versatile, he is able to ukuthi adlale the right back position.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Stumza, when it comes to really being the young player of the season, ukhula nini umuntu?
South Africa bakhulu labantu.
I think he has outgrown it.
No, South Africa bakhulu.
Yeah,
21.
If they get Buya next season, they can get qualified next year.
But check out PSL, how many young players maybe who are 21 or whatever, maybe.
Yeah, you need to be under 21.
But also can't be nominated in the same category age for 3 years in a row. And if you're a musician, you can't be best. You can't become every year. So there's something, they have to fix something, because maybe there are other younger guys that don't really PSA. Because another thing, you know why it's like this, Mus?
Yeah.
Because they are looking at my team Lawa, because it's only Chiefs, Sundowns, and the Pirates who are being nominated. Do you get my point? There are my team who are nominated Nedbank Cup, understand? While PSA, I believe we had other, who's this guy, or who lives in top scorer, we call the Narrows. Dion,
Yes, yes.
Dion,
Yes.
brings in certain categories as well, but he's not there. Do you get my point? So
Yeah.
sometimes it's about like this. If we're looking at only at those 3 teams or 2 teams who PSL when it comes to my awards.
Okay. Moving on to our third topic, it's about Pitso Mosimane supporting Mbogazi's move to MLS. So Pitso Mosimane says Begazeli Mbogazi made the right decision by leaving Orlando Pirates to join Chicago Fire FC in the USA. So some people believe he should have gone to Europe instead, but Mosimane says the MLS is a good league where players can grow. He even gave an example of Sean Banklet, who played in the MLS before moving to the English Premier League. So I think question is, do you think MLS can become a good route for African players in terms of reaching Europe?
Can I give context? Because I'm the one who did that. No?
Yeah.
So what Peter was saying is, because we always bash about who moves from PSL to other leagues, like Belgium, you were saying with South Africa, we never had like countries, Africans would they can move from there to EPL. We never had that relationship of players moving from PSL to
Straight
Europe. You
to
understand?
Europe.
Right? It's always they always connect through other leagues. You understand? So and also I think with EPL, you don't just there's certain stats, certain criteria they use.
The national team needs to be
Do you get?
in the
certain-
top 50.
Yeah.
You need to have played a certain number of
Games
games.
as well.
Yeah.
So those things they contribute now. So that's why maybe if our national team was not playing well since, you understand? So maybe it would be easy with Simos to have a player and move from PSL to EPL. Because a lot of us was why those teams taking from our players, you understand? So it was just answering because I want to understand how does this thing work, how these big players clubs buy from other leagues, you know. So I think in order for you to get to those big leagues, you need to start with MLS, or Belgium, then from there you're gonna if they're a good player, you're gonna move to EPL because EPL I think they still rated number one. You know? Yeah, I understand. So it's that. So obviously, I think it answers a lot of questions why EPL teams don't buy straight from us. Besides Gucci, that means they don't go for individual brilliance. If that's the criteria they're using. It's part of it. But even if because we've been having good players,
you have to acquire like a certain accreditation from the FA, like an exceptional talent, whereby the FA itself feels they can't bypass that player because of certain rules that are in place to assess a player adlala EPL, and it's a lengthy process because you're gonna have to be extraordinary a talented player for them to overlook all those criteria in place or to backsign directly. So it's an option that's there, but it takes a very very lengthy process which by finyelele that thing. But then in terms of Umbogazi, I think yes, I was one of the people who was not happy ngale move lena, but you know, beyond that you can see it's working for the boy, you know. I think currently he's one of the most recognizable players Bafana because of he's out there, the media, he's out there, like everywhere you go, he's even amongst the top 10 center backs in the world on the ongoing World Cup. So yes, it's not the league that we rate.
Yeah,
you understand. It's not the league that we rate. It's competitive. It's one of the best like that. But I think it's working for him.
Yeah.
It sometimes works for others more than others.
Yeah.
Because we had Cassius Mailula left the PSL when he was hot property. You know, he had the world at his feet. He went to that league and just never worked out for him.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And it's because of maybe he had other internationals at that team that were vying for that position. Hence he was loaned from Lapan. I think he's had about 3 loan spells. You understand? So it works for others and then it doesn't work for others. So in life in general.
Yeah, no. Mina I will say ukuthi nesinye isikhathi Umbogazi uza like as a motivation just to show ukuthi something you might think ukuthi ayikho right, but then if wena uzijelile then uyafika to a point where ukuthi ukhona uku-achieve like noma yini ukuthi abantu bebangayi expectanga, yabo. So mina uPitso, yes, bekalapho am support and I was one of the people nami bengicabanga ukuthi I-movie yakhe i-wrong, yabo, because of like this clause le eyase like yase Europe ukuthi no, you should have ama-caps anjanjani nani. I think it's stupid. That's what I can say, because we found Peter Msima, if you remember Peter Msima as a coach Bafana, that's when you will find a certain agent push ukuthi ama-player kumele badlalele Bafana so that bazokwazi ukuthi baba push for ama international moves. Ukuthi also even if no player linga deserve ukuthi lidlale kuBafana, so end up manje ba bribe bayenza ini. So if you are good, guys. And if you deserve good, because looking at the English Premier League, I don't see many defender for Umbo guys. Like I'm not defender Pamuza Mapola guys. So yes, let's just hope Uguti Uzogwazi Uguti atole whatever credits lawa watingayo, and then agwazi ukuthi ahamba yo showcase talent lakhe nalaphayana, because even if noma bekasadlala kuphakane, still bekazwenza the same things as enzile kuBafana Bafana.
So now my question is, should young South African players still see Europe as the only dream, or has the MLS become a serious option after whatever in the Bagambo guys?
I don't think Uguti has become a serious option because of uhambe akahamba ngayiwani uhambe nobani ubuso Tejan, yes. Uguti asiboni anything like ngayo, so I don't think mina it's a serious option. But besides
that guy that boy is good. If Begamu
hence I'm saying
without Umbogas in that team, because now there are these two South Africans over. This one is on fire. You understand? So it might be difficult for him
man, we've seen a lot of good players bamuva and then still bangaveleli. I remember Umsona Magamuva. Umsona was the first to be reckoned with, but still wanyamalala na nje out of the blue. So also iya nange character yomuntu. So I wouldn't say mina like right ukuthi singayibheka ukuthi kuzoya ngawo ukuthi wena mawufika lapho uzofika wenzeni, but for me MLS guys, come on.
No, but it's for me, I think it's getting there. Looking at how the football is growing now in the USA, you understand, because they're starting to pay more attention, and we can't ignore it. Even the big players now, even though they want to retire. You remember Real Madrid at some point? It was one of those teams, the Masters want to retire. They will go there to go to him from Figo to wherever. They will retire like Madrid. That team, the Masters, must also retire. We have Madrid. So even now, I'm looking at these EPL players. If I buy Saudi Arabia, they're going to MLS. Understand? MLS, they had about Zlatan, like a lot of players, and I think we're gonna start seeing a lot of players move to MLS. You understand? That's what's gonna change, or it's gonna improve. Because even now, since the signing of Messi, we started to recognize they just took Lewandowski now. Is part of Chicago Fire as well now. So that's what they're doing. So I think with those moves, it's not around like guessing I know until they sign Cristiano to get. So it just needs that. And right now, Saudi Arabia they play better football than MLS football. They understand. So for me, I think MLS right now, I include them in one of the top 5 or top 10 leagues.
No, I issue in MLS, it's that it's their those people are more business minded than football development. A recruitment strategy say MLS is wrong. They go for all this has been players. Baba Yenze the face of the league because of they want to attract supporters, so they that's why they go for such players, Abu Messi, Abu Lewandowski, because they want ordinary citizens as America they can relate nabo, which is a business move. You understand what
true.
We've seen this player go Barcelona, go Bayern Munich, so it's our chance to go witness him, but they are no longer at their prime. So it's a problem. MLS is dead. They should be more, if they want to develop and grow as a football league, they should be investing in younger players and making them more attractive. Because there's one thing about MLS, PR they have it. You understand? They have it like about so called. So they can take a young player and make him the face of that league, and people are gonna be attracted because it will be on your face. Go MLS, you understand?
Yeah.
So for our young players, yes, the money is good. It's very good. The money there.
Yeah.
Our players can use it as a stepping stone. Bangene go MLS and showcase their talents. Go other bigger leagues. Go monitor MLS in terms of a emerging talent.
Bogazi bought a car. Pirates and Badali. Why is it only now Bogazi anymore? Hey, man, wait. Bogazi bought a car today. I had a very expensive car. Pirates and Badali.
It
Player.
does
Why is
pay.
it now?
There was no need for a car. There was no need for a car.
Bekangena license.
Yes, no need for a car.
Eh, khona thenga ubawuto lobuthi.
Bekangena license. Bekangena
Mina
license.
umkholisa malini umbokazi lapha?
There was no need for the car.
Bekhola malini
There
yeah.
was no need for
Yeah,
that.
Chairman
Bekhola
Begemlanda.
malini?
Why bekangena no need for a car?
That's
Ah
private.
wait,
That's private and confidential.
Bekhola ye pirates ye security. But I can stress. Can you just take just 2 minutes break to go to prepare for part 2? Then we're gonna come back in a few minutes.
Musical break.
Oh, hydration. Just
Hydration break.
Yes,